Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to clear your browser cache in Google Chrome. So if you're looking at how to clear that up, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser. Navigate over to the top right corner and left click on the three vertical dotted icon. Should open up additional options here, so just left click on that one time. Left click on more tools, and then left click on where it says clear browsing data. Now if you specifically want to clear the cache, you just want to make sure you select the one option that says cached images and files. You don't have to clear the other stuff, but if you want to, you're welcome to, so you can customize this a little bit. I'm going to uncheck browsing history, but usually cached images and files kind of go along with cookies as well. But sometimes for cookies, it might be storing some passwords. If you're going to sign into websites, you might have to enter back in your password again. So just keep that in mind. But if you want to just clear cached images and files, just only have that one check marked. Set the time range to as far back as you want, and then left click on clear data. And then you should restart your browser once that's done. Close out of that, and hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.